Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to reveal what's my age. Many of you ask me what's my age, how old I am. Yes, I am 30 and here you can see I have just crossed 30, you can say like that. So I am going to share with you all my experience after turning 30. I know for some people it might feel a little crazy like what she's talking and everything, but I have felt so many changes within me after I entered 30. So stay connected and keep on watching to know what happened to me after I entered my 30s. Yes, weight gain. So that is the first and foremost thing which happened within me was a weight gain. Losing a weight or gaining a weight was very much easy when I was in my 20s. But when I entered into my 30s, it was very difficult. Must be it might happen only for me or might for others as well, but I checked it and I have researched about it, and I found out that this happens because of the less metabolism which happens to ladies when they are in their 30s. So the metabolism rate actually decreases by age, and when I was in my 20s it was very easy for me to reduce weight. Like in a month I can very well reduce 3 to 4 kgs. With a normal diet and exercise. But after I entered my 30s, it was so difficult for me to reduce even 1 kg in a month. Even if I do so much of exercise, so much of diet, but the metabolism rate within me reduced so badly that reducing a weight has become a big challenge for me. So that's the first thing which happened to me after I entered my 30s. The second thing which got changed very badly was my periods. When I was in my 20s, I never used to know when I'm getting my periods and when it is getting over. But when I entered my 30s, the flow as well as the pain, everything was so worst. There are some days when I need to go to the restroom, I need to stand and bend like anything for each and every pain which I used to get during every clots which passes during my periods. And it was so bad, guys, so bad. But when I was in my 20s, I never used to know any kind of pain, no cramps, nothing. But when I entered my 30s, I used to get severe back pain, severe stomach pain, and so much of blood clots used to pass by during my periods. But I even checked with my gynecologist about this, and she said no, when it happens only for 5 days, it's normal. When it is like more than that, like for a month you are bleeding, then you need to get checked properly. But it didn't happen like that. I used to get 5 days periods and still I am getting 5 to max 6 days periods. But then I am getting those cramps, those pain which I never used to get when I was in my 20s. So that was the second thing which got changed badly when I turned 30. So the third thing which happened within me was urinating a lot. I pee a lot, and I'm not able to control control my urine like before. I still remember when I used to go for a morning walk with my sister-in-law, she used to say like, do you have any kind of restroom here in this park? Because I urinate every now and then. Not in an abnormal way, like in any other disease it happens, but it happens to all the ladies. This I am telling you after doing a little research. It might vary person to person and according to your health condition. But what I have researched about this change within me was the urinary bladder weakens little bit, and that is the reason we will not be able to control our urine and we pee a lot. So it is kind of embracing situation for me, because every time I need to go to my restroom in the office and my manager will be like, what is this? You are like, every time you are out or like you're not at all in your seat. So this happens to all the ladies who cross their 30. So you might feel that you're going to restroom so much of time, and in at home also, like I'm not able to control my urine, I need to pee more. So if anything more than the natural process happens, then please do go ahead and check your gynecologist or your physician. This is the normal thing which I'm talking. Like from your 20s, you might urinate one or two or three times more. That's what is happening. So that's a change, third change which happened within me after I entered my 30s. So the fourth change which happened within me after I crossed my 30 was losing a baby face. This I observed when I did my 12th standard recreating video, where I found that though I have reduced my weight than those days, but my face still looks like this. So your face automatically becomes like little bit slimmer than those days when you were in your 20s. During your 20s, you will have still that baby kind of face, and this part will be little fleshy. Like even though if you are, little thinner side of body pattern, but then I felt that how much ever I put on weight, I'm always having my face like this. Okay, and I observed this also with some of my friends as well as some of my relatives. When they turned 30, or when they are in their 30s, their face, even though they are fat, looks like this. So you have little slimmer face. So that's a change which happened within me after 30. Let's move on to the last change which I found out after entering my 30, which is having a less energy. Yes, as I told you all, the rate of metabolism will become lesser when comparing to the 20s. That is the major thing. The energy level will get reduced when you are in your 30s comparing to your 20s. This I observed when I found out that I'm having a very less energy while doing any work at home. Like usually I used to clean my home. If I start in the morning, I end up doing it might be in the midnight, and I clean the entire house. Cleaning in sense the deep cleaning. But now after entering my 30, I found it to be so difficult for me. Like if I start cleaning one room, then the whole day or the whole, from morning till night, I'll be doing the same. The speed, or I don't know what to say, the speed and the activeness has got reduced comparing to your 20s. Initially, what I used to do is I used to clean the entire kitchen in one single day. But now it's not happening with me. Like if I start doing it, I get so much, I lose energy soon. Okay, so as I told you all, that might happen because of the less metabolism comparing to our 20s. So yes guys, so these are the things which happened within me when I entered 30s. So I wanted to share my experience with you all who are going to enter, or who are already in your 30s. Something we should not get scared of. Like I'm a person who gets scared literally very badly if any changes happen with me suddenly. So these are the things which happens with every ladies who are in your 30s. Most of the ladies. So if anything goes adverse, like very badly, more than the normal, then you can very well go ahead and check out with your doctor. But something which is like manageable and you feel okay, this is a little change than the previous year or previously whatever you were doing, then these are the things usually which happens with all the ladies when they entered and when they are in their 30s. Also, I hope that this is going to be helpful for all the ladies who are going to enter their 30s, and if they are a little plumpy and if they want to reduce their weight, then guys, this is the time where you have to reduce your weight before you attain your 30, because then you need to strain so much for reducing the weight which you want. So yes guys, so those are the experience which I wanted to share with you all. I hope that you all liked it and you can relate me with you. And if you really loved and enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and please give your valuable comments down below in the comment section. I will love to read them. So my motto behind making this video is not to scare anybody. It's to motivate the people that yes, nothing is there to get worried. this is what happens to everybody, all the ladies, when they are in their 30s. And yes, of course, body is not just a thing, it keeps on changing age by age, but we should not get worried just like that. And yes, even if the metabolism rates are getting reduced, we need to do so much of yoga, so much of exercise, which helps in maintaining the metabolism rate in a very proper ratio. And with a proper diet and proper physical activity, we will always stay healthy and make our thinking positive. So stay healthy, eat healthy, and be positive. Yes guys, I'll see you all next time with yet another beautiful video. Till then, it's bye from me. Ta-ta, bye bye.